Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pipedrive inbox. This will help you manage your emails directly inside Pipedrive and keep everything connected to your deals and activities. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon, then select Personal Preferences. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Email Sync. This is where you connect your email account to Pipedrive. Follow the steps to sign in and allow permissions so your emails can sync properly. Once your email is connected, go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Sales Inbox. This is your email inbox inside Pipedrive. Here, you can read, reply, and send emails just like a normal email app. Now, here's the powerful part. You can link emails directly to deals and activities. This means all your important conversations stay connected to your work. For example, if a customer sends a message about a deal, you can attach that email to the deal so your team can see it. You can also create follow-up tasks from emails to stay organized. You can even start new emails from this inbox using your saved contacts. Everything stays in one place, making your workflow faster and easier. That's it. Now you can manage all your emails inside Pipedrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.